Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain a poem from the NCERT book First Flight. The name of the poem is Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. I will begin with the reading of the poem. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. It means that the poet is talking about a winter day when all the treetops were covered in masses of snowflakes. The poet was walking under one such snow covered tree. This was the North American conifer known as the hemlock, named so because its smell resembles to that of the European plant from which the poison known as hemlock was made. Hence, by virtue of his name, this tree was not the one that you could associate with in anything positive. However, a crow alighted on this tree suddenly, and because of that sudden motion, the mass of snowflakes atop it fell down on the poet like rain. The snowflakes were so light and minor that the poet thought that they looked like white dust particles. This shower of snowflakes from the hemlock tree is evidently the subject matter of this poem, since it touched the poet in some way. Let's begin with the fifth line. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. The word rued means regret. So in this stanza, the poet explains to us exactly in what way the shower of snowflakes had an effect on him. When this happened, the poet experienced a change of mood, felt lighter in his heart, and made up his mind to use the rest of the day constructively instead of destroying it the way he had earlier. That is to say, he had been in a despairing mood, and the snowflakes falling on him all of a sudden gladdened his heart. The poet had not even been specific about what exactly transpired, but it is evident that two negative forces, the poisonous hemlock tree and the black crow, were the representatives of nature that had brought about a positive turn of events in the poet's life. It was the act of the crow or its movement on the tree that had caused the dust to be shaken off the branches of the tree. This dust that fell on the poet may have made him realize that all he had to do was to shake off the misery that was nagging him into depression. At least some part of that day had been pleasant, since it had been given him a new experience that he had to treasure. So the poem emphasizes the curative power of nature. Thank you.